Hi, today we're on lesson 12 and we're going to talk about graphing inequalities on the coordinate plane. So for part 1, we're going to do questions number 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. For part 2, we're going to do questions number 1, 2, 3, 4. For part 3, we're going to do questions number 1 and 2. Okay, to begin, y is greater than 2x plus 1. You have to identify the boundary line type. Since it's a greater than, it has to be, this value has to be greater than y, so it should be dotted. The line should be dashed. Number 3. This one's a less than, but there's no equal to sign on the bottom, so this one's also dashed. Number 5. Y is less than or equal to negative x. So it has to be straight, it has to be a straight line. Because it's including whatever value is contained with this line. Whatever point is on this line is also part of negative x. So that's number 5. Y is greater than or equal to negative 2. Straight line. So line, you see line. Number 9. Y is less than or greater to. So it's another line because of the equal to line. Okay, moving on. Part 2. Determine shading directions. Y is greater than x. So on a coordinate plane, y is greater than x. That's our line. Since it's we're looking for y, and y is greater, it should be shaded above. We should shade it above the line, our graphed line up here. So shading direction, above. Number 2, y is less than 2x plus 3. So plus 3, 2, 3, plus 3, 2. That's gonna be our line. And it's y is less than. So since y is less than this value, oh, it should be dashed also. Sorry about that. The line should be dashed. Since y is less than and not equal to 2x plus 3, this line, it should be below. It should be, the line should be dashed and it should be below the line. So down here. Below. Number 3. Y is greater than or equal to negative 1. So negative 1 should be here. Like that. And it's a straight line because it's greater than or equal to negative 1. It's greater than, so it should be above. Above. Y is less than or equal to 4. So less than or equal to. Let's graph it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gonna be our graph. Since it's on 4 and it's less than or equal to. So equal to, so it's a straight line. Less than is below. So below. Y is less than 4 or equal to. Part 3. Number 1. A babysitter charges $15 plus 18 per hour. So 18 per hour plus 15. write and graph an inequality if the total must be at least $40. So a babysitter charges $15 plus $8 per hour, and it should be at least. So meaning it should be, the least value should be $40. So it's greater than when the money made should be greater than or at least equal to 40, the total. And that's our equation. Let's graph that. Since it says write and graph, gotta read the instructions very carefully. So 18H 40. Our thing is gonna be 1, 2, 10, 20. Let's call this 40 and 18H. 8, sorry. 15 should be about, so it's $8 an hour plus 15, so 10, 15. That's the starting value. Should go like that. Should keep on going forward. Should be greater than. I think that should be about right. A store sells shirts for $18. You want to spend less than $100. Write the inequality. A store sells shirts for $18. So 18 for each shirt. You want to spend less than 100. So this should be less than $100. And it's less than, not less than or equal to or at least. It uses the word less than, so it's just, that doesn't have the equal to sign. And that's our inequality. Thank you for listening. That's the end of today's lesson.